Hello, this is Mike Dyson with MarineMax Sail and Ski. Taking a good look today at a very exciting new model we have for 2020. This is a Harris Solstice 230. It's done in the center walkthrough dual helm layout. We've added the Delta Tower, which is new for this year. This boat is all new. Show you some of the outside features here. Done in black with a metallic silver accent. Really makes the boat pop. We've also done the black railing package, which is going to black out the exterior railing on the boat to match the tower. We always do the optional quick release fender kit. Makes it easy to attach your fenders and detach them quickly. Have your fender link preset so you're not having to adjust lines as you would get to the dock. Gorgeous boat from the exterior. Stainless steel rub rail insert. Extended rear deck. It's going to give you a lot of open space to board the boat. Lots of activity space to jump on and off, let the kids have fun. You can see we've got a rear stereo control, rear JL audio speaker system, nice tow arch. This is powered by the Mercury 250. It's a 4.6 liter fuel injected 4-stroke V8. Ultra quiet, ultra smooth, vibration free. Great performance. That Delta Tower really pops. Notice we do the dual bimini top system, so allows you to shade the entire boat if you choose to. If you want, you can just set up the rear bimini and shade the back part of the boat, or leave them all closed and get plenty of sun. Of course, LED docking lights, flip up stainless steel cleats. One of the most exciting things this year is the new silver interior package. Beautiful, beautiful color selection. And if you get a chance to touch this, it feels almost like automotive leather. Look how nice that is. Doesn't get any better in the pontoon world than a Harris pontoon. In-floor ski locker. Extra wide seats. People really compliment us on how comfortable these seats are, how wide, how the contour of them flows quite well. Lots of cup holders. The ones tucked inside the seats there are actually LED lit. JL audio subwoofer for quality sound. This is the dual helm layout, as I mentioned, helm seat. Gives you a real versatile layout. When you're riding in this boat, it feels almost like a sport boat based on performance and the way the twin seats are available to both face forward. All new console design. We did the raised console, elevated console I should say. Look how slick that is. Ergonomically well designed, very comfortable. We've done the optional Simrad 9-inch display here. It's going to give you switching functions, power up all of our lights and everything. It'll give you all your engine vitals, navigation, sonar, everything that you need. Wireless charging station for your mobile device. I mean, it just does not get any better than this, guys. Rear facing loungers allows you to face out the back. Obviously, another armrest with a cup holder right where you want it. If you want to have a conversation area here, we can fold this up. Room for 4 adults to kind of sit around and enjoy each other's company. HiBack, extremely high quality, high comfort seating system back here. Can't imagine a better boat for a day on the water. Look how easy it is to get to our boarding ladder. How much room you have back here. Absolutely knocked it out of the park. Great job, Harris. My name is Mike Dyson. If I can help you with any Harris pontoon, feel free to call me direct. My cell phone number is 210-347-5768. Thank you. Thanks again for stopping by to take a look at some of the key features and options on this particular boat. We're happy to help you with any boat we have in our inventory from our Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio location. Feel free to contact me direct at area code 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water.